Okay, and let me share. If you could, okay, I'm sharing the same thing. So we're here. We're here already. I was discussing this cube root of 1 plus x squared. And your u here is 1 plus x squared. So the derivative of that is 2x dx. But what you're provided is 5x. So you will have to introduce 2 over 2. That way, you can give the 2, or you can multiply the 2 with the x here, pair it with the x here, so that you will have this derivative 2x dx. You put the 5 outside. You place the 5 outside, so you will have 5 times 1/2 already, because this 2 is paired with the x to complete the derivative of your u. So your 5/2 now will be multiplied to the answer of this integrand if you use power rule. So you have u raised to 1/3 plus 1, that would be 4 over 3, over 4 over 3. So this 4 over 3 will multiply to 5/2, that would be 15 over 8. And that u is 1 plus x squared, and you just simply copy the exponent 4 over 3. Okay? For the seventh example, you have the square root of 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8. If this will be our u, the derivative, I know you fully know this, is 15x squared plus 3. 15x squared plus 3. This is your derivative. What you have is just 5x squared plus 1. So you have to think of the number that you will multiply to 5x squared plus 1 to make it 15x squared plus 3. And that number will be 3. So what you will do based on rule number 2 is you multiply the original given integrand by 3 over 3. You use this 3 to pair with the original 5x squared plus 1 here to complete the derivative of your u. The remaining 1/3 is placed before your integral sign. So then you will only use power rule for the entire expression 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8. So that would be 1/2 for its power plus 1. So that would be 3/2 over 3/2. So the 1/3 times 3/2 would be 2 over 9. Or divided by 3/2 rather is 2 over 9. And your u will be this original expression 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8, and the exponent is 3/2. The last example will be this in the case of the sine of 3x over cosine squared of 3x, or cube of 3x. Now we will pair the sine of 3x with the cosine of 3x because that would be the tangent of 3x. Okay? This one class, this part really entails that you fully know how to manipulate your given trigonometric expression. That way you will arrive at identities that are, shall I say, have a relationship with one another. For example, if you split the cosine cube of 3x into cosine of 3x and cosine squared of 3x, you will be forming the tangent of 3x of the sine 3x over cosine of 3x, and you will be forming, or rather you will have an equivalent trigonometric function for 1 over cosine squared of 3x, which is secant squared of 3x. Now, if you look very closely, class, look very closely, the derivative of the tangent 3x is secant squared 3x times 3, because this one still has a derivative. It should be 3 secant squared 3x dx. So you lock the 3 here. So you multiply by 3 over 3. Set aside the 1/3 here because what you just need is the 3 to go with the secant squared of 3x. Here, your tangent of 3x can be evaluated using power rule. So you will have now tangent of 3x raised to 2, or that would be tangent squared of 3x, because you will have a u raised to 2 over 2 in this case. This is your u raised to n being equal to 1, and this is the du of your u, which is tangent of 3x. The 2 and the 3 here in the denominator should be multiplied, so that should give you a 1/6 of tangent of the quantity tangent 3x quantity squared. Okay? Amo ni siya class ang katapusan, I think, na part sang substitution. So substitution actually could be used to trigonometric expressions and even algebraic expressions just like this one. If you have already journeyed in the Canvas course style for Emma 102, it says there in the homepage that you will learn more if you do. You do. What does that mean? In mathematics, you really have to practice. That way you become masters of that particular tool that you are trying to master. In this case, for now, you're trying to master integral calculus. So in that case, since everything is in Canvas, practice on the notes that were given to you. Practice solving those items that are related only to the topic that we have discussed. We only discussed 3. Power rule, the trigonometric function, and the substitution. That's for the 3 weeks so far that we have finished. And that would be given to you as a quiz on Wednesday. Should you have any problems, should you have any point of clarification to raise, let me know in our GC, or you can even drop me a question or a line in our Canvas course style. Okay, so I think some of the non-CHs here may have classes. Ang iban ba may klase? So I'm sorry I used the 2 minutes of your time. This won't happen again because we wasted around more than 10 minutes in my trying to fix my laptop here. So you have any questions, my dear students, for now? You have any questions? So for this week, since we meet, our schedule is Monday, Wednesday, 2:30 to 3:30. Then your Fridays is free day. So then it's up to you to really make use of the Fridays as your day for you to practice, or if you really decide to have a rest for that day. But on Wednesday, you really need to get the quiz for the last 3 weeks of class. Anyway, all the things are in Canvas already. Ato naman to tanan sa Canvas ang notes. This one I will update. I will upload it in Canvas in a little while for you to also study for your Wednesday's quiz. I will be sending you, if you read your announcement in Canvas, I will be sending you your own personal link. Should you be not able to submit things in Canvas, ay kisabod lang mag-submit sa Canvas. But the thing is, class, last semester, I had a really hard time checking the work of my students in Messenger. Kaya ginapagamay sa Messenger ang mga picture. So, budlay mag-check. So, what I'll do, I'll send each one of you your own link where you can submit your submissions for integral calculus, those that cannot be submitted in Canvas. Anyway, the coding I have discussed to you already. I simply edited it in the announcement. So please read the announcement posted in Canvas. Within the day, I will send you your own personal links. That way, I can give you access to that because you alone have the access to that particular link. You can easily upload their screenshots or ng PDF files nga form nga copy sa inyo mga solution should there be a need. Kaya kung nakasubmit naman kamo sa Canvas, hindi naman kamo tiya kinahanglan mag-submit. What you need to submit in your own link is just the solutions or the answers that you were not able to submit in Canvas. Okay? I will send it within the day class. I'll just finish my 4:30 to 5:30 class, then I'll do some overtime and send those links to you within the day. Okay, some more questions if you have questions. Wala mang gali may question. Do you have any question? None? Anyway, kay 15 na lang kamo nagbalik. I will just post a general announcement in our GC. And please read what is written in our Canvas for the lessons. Anyway, nakabutang na ko to lesson for module number 2. And that's the longest module for this term because it has 6 weeks on that. Okay? So thank you, everyone. Just message me should you have any problem related to our subject. Bye for now, class.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye-bye.